Ready, start. He has argued that merely because they have been conferred with the benefit of pay scale, they cannot be taken to have been brought into the faculty so as to acquire the status of assistant professors. Full stop. It is further argued that the status of the assistant professor can be considered only when someone fulfills the eligibility criteria fixed by UGC. Full stop. It is argued that the writ petition number 836 within bracket S slash B bracket close of 1994 was disposed of to allow the pay scale by way of parity with identically placed teachers of another agricultural university, but there was no direction for conferring upon its teachers the status slash designation of the assistant professor. Full stop. He also argued that the research associate had already been declared to be a dying cadre and there was a specific ban upon appointment of research associate by the state. Full stop. He further argues, therefore, that the appointment of respective petitioners were questionable. Full stop. He has further placed reliance upon the order of the division bench passed in special appeal number 75 of 2022 in which the court has held the grant of benefit of assistant professor of Narendra Dev Krishi Evam Prodhyogik Mahavidyalay, Faizabad was itself illegal and contrary to law and facts. Full stop. So the parity extended to the petitioners were also liable to be withdrawn. Full stop. Having heard learned counsel for the parties and their arguments raised across the bar, one admitted position continues in respect of the petitioners that after the order was passed by the division bench in writ petition number 836 within bracket S slash B bracket close of 1994 on 18/8/1999, the state government issued a government order on 7/8/2022 in which it very categorically provided that the petitioners were being conferred with the revised pay scale of assistant professor of rupees 8,000-13,500 from the date they have been declared as teachers. Full stop. This government order dated 7/8/2002 had never been withdrawn. Full stop. Yet another admitted position is that the Board of Management of the university in its 117th meeting adopted resolution by constituting a committee on 25 to 2002 to look into the records of these petitioners, and the committee having found them to be eligible to be accorded with the status of assistant professor, made recommendations and an order was passed on 8/3/2002 by the chief personnel officer of the university, accordingly. Full stop. The Vice Chancellor passed a consequential order on 23/3/2002 seeking necessary approval thereof from the state government, and the state government under its order dated 2010-2005 granted financial sanction. Full stop. While the contempt petition was pending, the state government reiterated the status of the petitioners as assistant professors very categorically by taking a decision upon their representation on 4/1/2008 under the signatures of Chief Secretary, in which it has come to be very categorically recorded in an unequivocal terms that as per the information received from the university, these petitioners have been observed against sanctioned slash vacant positions of assistant professor and equivalent post. Full stop. I have referred to the decision of the university to confer upon the petitioners, the time scale as well as the revised pay scale upon their completing refreshers course. Full stop.